Yo, little Poe nigga. Let them know we in this bit, man. Hey, say, time for me to give you niggas the intro. Been a long time, I know this what they been waiting for. Guns like Halo, yellow bitch look like J-Lo. Get it rocked up, but still softer than Play-Doh. Lime green weed, the same color as Piccolo. Bitches pay me to fuck them like I'm a gigolo. Bitch couldn't get a kiss even if under mistletoe. Fuck with midget bitches, they sucking dick on they tippy toes. Don't knock a nigga hustle, if you can get it, then get it. Turning raw in the muscle, straight drop, whip it and flip it. Money coming so quickly, I'm making it by the digits. Ain't never had a bird, but I'm played with a couple pigeons. Black bitch Tanisha and a white bitch named Bridget. Do this shit for Pimp C and snort a line off her titty. Hustle ground for ground, fight niggas round for round. Always keep a revolver like I was Sammy Sam. Eating green eggs and ham while chilling with Dr. Seuss. Stay ready for war, I'm always lacing my boots. Niggas know I'm the truth every time I step in the booth. Murder you when you crew, bullet wounds like hula hoops. World so cold, rap game in a chokehold. Had to change up the hustle, I started with kick doors. Started selling weed, powder packs and a couple O's. Then I was getting paid for standing over the stove. Money was coming in, look quicker than I could spend. Fucking the gang of bitches and fucking all of their friends. Making all of my ends, committing all of my sins. God, I know I told you this, but please forgive me again. I just wanted a Benz, my mind a better place. Wherever she wanna stay, or environment that was safe. Instead of achieving that, it brought me another case. Now I'm locked up with a stupid look on my face. Dealing with bitch niggas who swear they was drug dealers, but I fuck with them real killers like my nigga K Dizzle. My nigga K Dizzle from that wicked Wild West. Lil' blood bro Mason represent the best for less. Roll a dojo with stress, lead a scene of bloody mess. Connected, plugged in, everything I be compressed. The block bleed 'em, so hot like it got fever. I'm so lethal, I try to see no evil in these people. Most of them just need Jesus. Try to run, try to hide, but he still gon' see you. I'm crazy with the mic, not under the spotlight. When I whip it on the stove, make it lock like dog bite. Like swiper, I'm gon' swipe, she full of that Snow White. Put the heat to the okra, in the wind like a kite. Murder, murder, how she wrote. Her pussy is so. When I'm finished, I leave it soaked and then skeet in the throat. Medicine to this rap, niggas know I'm the antidote. Hit you with 44s, assault rifles with telescope. How I stay on the grind, I'm so ahead of my mind. Niggas wasting my time, I'm never hard to find. Forever repping my time until I'm up on the grind. Ain't no reason to smile, so I walk around with a frown. The same ones that hate be the ones up in your face. Make sure I'm saying my grace before I'm touching the plate. Too much money to make for niggas to start tripping. Try not to catch a case, continue to go and get it. Fuck what a nigga say, your words don't mean shit. If I don't make it in rap, I'ma buy me a brick. Bust it down with my click and get the block hotter than grits. Taking all of your customers, serving dimes for nicks on the road to get rich. Fortunate not to fame. Bosses that's taking losses, it's all a part of the game. Never tell them your name. Niggas will turn snitch. When it comes to the cash, niggas will turn quick. Brain look like Sloppy Joe. That's the consequence you get, thinking you gon' play me though. Say, eating like it's grub time, yo bitch want some love time. I'm the youngest, realest nigga standing in my bloodline. Catch me on that old shit, like a pot with cold grits. Watch what you say, cause that shit'll get your nose split. Do it to the end of me, these niggas ain't no kin to me. Turn you to a memory, R.I.P., rest in peace. Eastside, 11th Street, Corsicana where I'm from. Straight up out that country, I explode like atomic bomb. Sticking to the G-code, I be going beast mode. No basketball, foul me, get shot, no free throw. Tell them it's a homicide. Don't ever leave my gun inside. Hop out the car, get to it, no drive-by. Yeah, little Poe nigga. And this bitch fucking around, you heard me?